Ooh, that's cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taye and this is the guest on my channel, Athea. Yeah. I'm gonna keep this in. Hi guys, it's Athea here and Taye. And match my energy please. Okay.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Athea and
Taye.
So we are actually really excited today. We want to show you this new palette. Basically, Tammi Makeup, you know, she's on YouTube. She decided to, you know, shake the world and she came up with her Tammi Tropical Carnival Palette. When I saw this palette, I was like, bitch, I need it. And Taye liked how it looked. Yeah. So, you know.
And Tamita got this for me for my birthday, which is very sweet. So we're doing the review together.
Yes, yeah. We're doing the review together, you know, so you can see it from, you know, 2 points of view.
Two black queens.
Two black queens or whatever, you know. She's got really dark chocolate creamy skin. I've got caramel, you know. So we're just gonna try it on or whatever. This is in Superdrug. It's £10, so you can grab your own, and it's with Revolution. You guys already know. You guys already know that they, you know, they're the bomb.com, and you guys are like really in our faces because we want to show you, you know, what we're doing. This is what the colors look like. This is what the palette like. Can you see how beautiful it looks from the outside? And it's got the mirror.
Yeah, it's really colorful.
Yeah, can you see? It's very beautiful. So these are all the colors.
Soca, Notting Hill, spiced rum, greens, and then short knee.
This is Destiny, Juvette, Spice Island,
Oh my god.
Three, and wait, there's something in here. Spice Island. This is really ghetto as fuck. Yeah. We're both gonna do 2 different looks. She's gonna do whatever looks she wants to do, and I'm gonna do whatever look I want to do. So yeah.
I'm using Jab Jab first, the darkest one. Yeah.
So I'm gonna use Spice Island first in my transition color. As my transition color.
Whoa, that's dark.
Say hi to the camera, Martha. Hi. We've got our behind the scenes camera woman. Yeah. She's not really doing anything.
She's eating Oreos.
Making noise. She just came here to eat and make noise. Ooh. Can you see that color though? You guys.
I just look like the demon lady, see.
You can make it work.
Yeah.
Go straight to the dark color.
Yeah.
That's good. You're fearless, isn't it?
It's not what everyone does.
No.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you do that?
Yeah.
You always go to the darkest color first?
Yeah, always.
You don't do transition before that?
This is the transition, babes.
Look at the darkest color be the transition.
Yes. Right.
Sips tea.
Sips tea. Uh-oh, I think I made a mistake.
Just carry on. Yeah, just keep on going. And then you can use like something to like,
yeah,
if you want to like, yeah, like blow it out or something. You might be onto something, you know?
Hope I end up blowing on
YouTube.
Oh. How would I blow it?
Just try to be nice. So I want to go for like the blue because it looks really beautiful. So I'm gonna use,
always have your cotton pads.
They've got the names so you guys know what name I've got here. Wrong way. I'm gonna use Bacchanal. No. Navy. I'm gonna use navy and I'm gonna put that right in my crease.
I think what I'm gonna do is actually use, what color is this? What I sound like? Oh, I'm going to use girlies next. It's this one. Oh my god. This at the end. Yeah. Gonna see how I can soften this.
Ooh, okay. You're really going for the dark colors.
So you're always helping me.
I thought you were gonna do like a
I
thought you were gonna do like your pink. You normally do like pink.
Don't worry, I'm going for neon today, but I want to build up to it, you know, the expectation.
I see, you go.
Yeah, you know, we're doing what we're doing. I learned from the best. Afia fan bam. If you're not subscribed, bitch.
Oh, what you doing? What you doing?
What? Are you okay?
So cute. Right at home. You're cutting a crease,
girl. Cutting. What?
So everywhere I have put, not everywhere. I'm gonna put, what's this one called? Short knee. I'm gonna put short knee like in the middle, you know. I'm gonna try it without spritzing it and I'm gonna see how it comes out. But if I need to spritz it, then I will. So let's just try it without. That's nice, but I'm gonna spritz. Everybody will be like, I wanna go out.
Yeah.
Ooh, can you see this? Can you see this magic?
You're going in with your neon now?
Soon come.
I'm gonna go with yellow next. This, what's it called? Girl. Jouvert. Okay.
Yeah.
Using Jouvert as well.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We might have just did something, you know. Ooh. Let's see. Fallout. So Jouvert does give a little bit of fallout, but it's kind of understandable.
They all do, boy.
All of them. I'm not. This is the first one I'm. Ooh, that's cute. What do you mean
To that. See, I'm just here for support, okay?
What is wrong with that?
I'm here for support.
Get your life, sis. I think maybe I need to put calypso on top of this. What do you think?
Calypso, this. Yeah. Yes.
I'm gonna put some, you know, I'm gonna go back to intensify.
Where's that? No. Does it look okay?
I feel like the colour's not really coming out like that.
The neon, right?
Yeah. Maybe you need to put more than
Did you
one
put
layer.
this spray on it? Put spray on it before you spray it with this. Spray your brush and then I'm gonna put calypso there too. Let's see. The yellow is not as bright as I thought it would be, so I'm gonna go in with calypso. Remind me when I used to do Zumba. Ooh, I feel like I look like a fish, you know, like Finding Nemo. Look at how colourful though.
I think I might just clean my eyes and start again.
You wanna start again? Why? With what?
This and again. Very tragic.
Go again. Pink Panther.
I think maybe I shouldn't have gone in with the darkest color.
Like straight away.
Yeah, definitely shouldn't have. Well,
You live and you learn.
yeah, so find some new stuff.
I feel like the matte colours do have some fallout, but it makes, I feel like it doesn't even, it's alright because they're so vibrant. The colours are really vibrant.
So I'm going to use this color from another palette. It's gold. Don't have no name, so just to kind of make it pop, you know. They don't have gold in this color, in this palette rather. It's darker. I'm looking for something a bit, you know.
A bit like, oh.
Yeah, the lighter.
She did say that she has the other palette and both palettes are supposed to be like you can use them together.
Yeah.
So I think there's like a gold in the other one. I want to pick that one up as well, but pick this one up first. So I'm basically done. This is my look. I love how it turned out. See. Very like, you know, Little Mermaid, Finding Nemo type of thing.
I didn't. Okay.
So what did you put, like, what other?
So I used this color. I think that's Jovet, isn't it?
That's all.
Oh, that's spiced rum or something.
Yes.
Spiced. Yeah, that's spiced rum. And then for my, what's this face called?
Crease.
Is it? Okay. For my crease, I'm not student. For my crease, I used Spiced Island and Girlies. Yeah. Just here. The purple one.
Oh, you really like purple, man.
That's my favorite color.
I want to use this color next. This purple color.
Ooh, ooh. So yeah, that's it. Clean my eye in 2 minutes, done. Voila.
Like, this palette is like you can do so many different looks with it, and that's why I really like it.
Then what am I going to do? Oh yeah, some eyeliner. Cause yeah.
She's eyeliner queen.
Well, we try, you know, we try.
I just be dodging the eyeliner like. I don't know. There's no work for my eyes, honey.
Lord Jesus.
Eyelashes, man. You know what? Do you know what I hate when I watch a YouTube video? Someone teaches me how to do lashes,
and they just put it on.
I'm like, oh bitch, you fucking well done.
There was a girl.
It's not that easy.
She didn't even use tweezers. She just went like this.
I'm like,
I was like, what?
you know what?
Apparently, some people glue like their eyelids.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
Apparently,
my way does that.
Yeah, apparently they just glue their eyelids, let it dry, and then just stick it on. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna try that one day because I reckon it's so much easier.
Hey guys, so we're back. So this is the finished look. I ended up using Notting Hill as my highlighter as well, just a little bit. You just can see it. But this is the finished look from me and from Taye. Hope you guys enjoyed. We really like this palette. What's your like end view? Like what's your thoughts of the palette?
It's alright. It's okay. It's cute. Colorful. It's
like,
yeah. It's colorful. It's a nice palette.
That's what you're gonna go with. Okay, cool. So for me, I like the palette because of the different colors. The shimmery colors, I really like them as well because they do pop. There is fallout with the matte colors on Jouvert. and Pink Panther, what I tried today. But everything else, it just looks really cute. I love the look that it gave me, and for the fact that it's £10 and you get 18 colours for £10, which is really good. So yeah, yes, this is what it looked like on us, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you.
Subscribe.
Well, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. You might see Taye, or you might not.
Yeah, I'll probably not be there, but
Bye guys.
bye.